Unary operators are operators that apply to only one element. C has a few different unary operators, but unary addition and subtraction are the most prevalent ones. Unary addition always has the end result of adding 1 to an existing value. The two flavors it comes in is prefix or postfix. More simply put, plus plus x or x plus plus, respectively. As written, postfix and prefix unary addition have the same result. Both just add 1 to x, and the x would be 3 after both of these lines run. Where do they differ then? Well, the array isn't just here for decoration. Take this line, for example. Perform a postfix increment on the first array element. This result is assigning the original value to the array slot first, and then incrementing that original value by 1. It turns out, the array remains unchanged because the incremented value is a copy used only for the assignment statement. If you simply change this line to do a prefix unary addition, then it would work like you expect and increment the first array element by 1 to the number 2. Unary subtraction is similar to unary addition in that it always has the end result of subtracting 1 from the original value. It also comes in the flavors of minus minus x, or prefix subtraction, and x minus minus, or postfix subtraction. We can also do the same trick on the array with postfix subtraction. Postfix subtraction won't subtract 1 from the actual first element in the array because the assignment happens before the subtraction happens.